Okay, what we're doing is putting the garbage disposal in. If you have it all torn apart, this is it. This is more than one piece because I'm actually replacing the old one. It goes together like this. And then this spring holds it down on the bottom. Where that's upside down actually. Because these screws are guides and locks. And so that goes here. And then the twist ring locks onto this. Anyways, the order of this, you want it set down. There's a rubber gasket down here too. On the bottom, this goes underneath the gasket. This goes on top. Should have your garbage disposal. Get this all set up good. The first thing is the gasket with that on top, and then this. And then your ring, which you probably gotta lay down to do this. Okay, dude. Get the ring started and then go around it. Then eventually it will pop up and it will lock it on. And we still have the rubber gasket, which you gotta make sure it's clean, just washed off. All the debris off of it at least. Maybe the sink's leaking again as we rip it. What a freaking delight. The question is that necessary? Because when we removed it, we did not have that. Don't I have another one over here? The old other side of the sink stuff. Anyways, we can go ahead and go on without it, because these screws have to push up on that to seal the gasket, which we did not clean. Get a sponge, damp or whatever. This has got soap on it, so we'll see that seal. Just trying to get all that debris off of it. And grab a paper towel. And then rotate this to sit on top of the screws. getting all of the slack out of it first. We're not tightening it down. We're just snugging it down. Now we can tighten it. This screw has the least amount of thread, so we're not going to touch it. Like I said, don't touch it. A little bit. Those aren't moving anymore. But if you switch from the Phillips to the flathead, get a little bit more on it. Make sure this is unplugged. It's not too intelligent to do it otherwise. Twist this ring to get it where it needs to be, then line up your pipe. Make sure that's good. It looks good to me. The fact I can do this by hand is extraordinary. Let's see if it's leaking again. That's why we replaced it, because it was leaking. I saw a drip. That may be just excess because there's no actual moisture around the edges. And to really verify that, grab 2 paper towels. One to initially get any moisture that may be anywhere. Because it gets wet when you do this. Just trying to dry everything off, which you probably could have done beforehand. But it doesn't matter. Well, there was not much moisture there to begin with. We're not getting anything on the paper towel. Put the drain on it. Plug. Put some water in there. And then just see. And there is a drip of water there, but it's been there the whole time since before I started. Everything else is just shiny, reflective, and I don't think it's actually leaking. So, that's good. Plug it in and make sure it works. Because the whole reason why this happened was because I needed to fix the actual garbage disposal. Then check again if it actually leaked anything. And you turned it on. Nope. But yeah, there was a rock in the garbage disposal. And so it had to all be pulled out, and when that happened, the seal broke on this one, and it's all used and dirty and old anyways, rusty, so it's better to just replace it. Keep it for spare parts, but the rest of it can be thrown away. Those metal pieces. I guess we didn't need this rubber gasket after all. I don't know why it was there.